I just noticed that there's a problem to uploading a custom thumbnail on your laptop, on your web browser. So today we're gonna solve this problem forever. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Amir, an architecture student in Iran. And in this channel, we explore and discover factors and tools that help us to improve our lifestyle. Today, I'm gonna fix the problem of uploading a custom thumbnail on your YouTube channel through the browser. Earlier I noticed that there's an issue of YouTube these days that you cannot upload your own custom thumbnail even if you have verified your account. And there is also two ways to solve this problem. I'm not covering this technical YouTube stuff on my channel on YouTube, but since I noticed that nobody on the entire YouTube has covered this problem, and as I'm a type of the guy that turning threats to the opportunities, I decided to give it a go and solve this problem. And I'm sure that it will help thousands of people, and it can maybe boost my channel as well. So bear with me and solve this problem together forever. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the valuable content that I create free on YouTube for you, I suppose. So let's solve this problem from two easy peasy squeezy ways. Let's go. So if you have this problem, as I'm sure you have to first log into your YouTube channel and go to YouTube Studio as it shows in the video, and you have to first click on this detail option and go down for your custom thumbnail. And I have a custom thumbnail on my first video, as you can see, and if you right click on that, it shows you this inspect option that you have to click on it and this window will pop up. And some point here up, this said YTCP thumbnails compact, and as you can see there's a feature disabled in here, and you have to click on that and convert disabled to enabled. Press enter, and now you can change or upload your own custom thumbnail on your YouTube channel. And it is the first way that you can change your custom thumbnail through your YouTube. The second way that you can solve this problem is from your YouTube Studio app on your mobile. So you have to go to YouTube Studio and videos. As you can see, your video will pop up, and click on your video and select this pen option and also this pen option and choose your own thumbnail that you have saved on your gallery. So that's it. Two ways that you can fix your uploading your custom thumbnail on YouTube through your browser and your mobile phone. And if it helped you, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if it helped you, also comment down below for me that it helped you. That would be very helpful for me. So thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching.